Welcome back to another wonderful video. I'm going to show you all how to do your own backdrop. As you can see, I made my own backdrop. Do you like it? Ain't it cute? I'm going to give y'all the tea, baby, and it's nothing to it. I promise you. You can get this stuff from the Dollar Tree. But before I go any further, subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. And I'm going to show y'all how I did this wonderful, cute backdrop. And I was just like, why do I need to pay, people paying all this money and I don't really need to pay all of this money for real. And I can actually really make my own backdrop. So I'm going to be doing my videos with my new backdrop from now on for my business, makeup, hair tutorials, and all of that other stuff. But stay tuned. Make sure you watch all of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how I did this cute background. Okay, so what you're going to need is some spray paint. I got this spray paint from Walmart. So the color is Gloss Mambo Pink. Okay. I got it from Walmart. And you're going to need some Mod Podge. This is the glue that goes on white but dries up clear. You can get this also at Walmart, but they have the smaller ones like this at Dollar Tree. Okay, so if you don't need this much, I needed a 60 ounce because I do a lot of arts and crafts. You can get the smaller one at Dollar Tree. Okay, so what else you're gonna need? Glitter. Okay, so of course we know where to find glitter from, but I got this big one from Walmart, but they sell it at the Dollar Tree also. Now, this board right here is for like a science project board. Y'all know when the teacher tells you you got a science project to do, go get it, come and do your presentation for school. So this I got from the Dollar Tree, and what I did was sprayed it with my spray paint. I bought the spray paint last year. As you can see, some other wonderful cute things that I made with the spray paint and stuff, and put glitter on it. But yeah, get the science project board and spray it whatever color you want, your color of choice. And then I put the Mod Podge glue, okay, on it, and then I sprinkled my glitter on it. And I let it dry, and this is my wonderful, cute little backdrop. So whenever I'm ready to put this up and out the way, I can easily just fold it and slide it in the cut somewhere and pull it out when I need to. Ain't that cute? Simple as that. Right now, I'm filming with my cute DIY homemade background. Listen, my backdrop is really cute. It's fire. So I'm going to be doing all my videos with this backdrop. And I saved money. I literally only bought the science project board from Dollar Tree today. Everything else I already had in my arts and crafts tote anyway, because I do a lot of stuff that I make. And so, yeah, that was just really it, y'all. Don't spend all that money going to buy a backdrop and all of that other stuff when you can do it yourself. It's really easy and affordable to do it yourself. Listen, sis, please don't go spend all your coins like that. Do it yourself, okay? But yeah, thank y'all so much. I'm going to be doing a Q&A for the business questions and answers, a Q&A video. I've been getting a lot of questions. I'll upload that video up coming very soon. But I wanted to show you all how to do your own backdrop in case you're trying to jump out into launching your own business, entrepreneurship, and things like that. This is the best route to go. And I'm going to be using this to take some very cute pictures of my products for my cosmetic line and all kinds of stuff. Like, this is it. I'm really liking this backdrop. Ooh, ain't it cute? Yes, it is really cute, and I think it is going to work out just fine. But thank y'all so much. Tune in. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the ring bell. If you have any other questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Check out the website, order your lip glosses and things like that. This is entrepreneur life, baby. Sis, let's get it together. Let's get this money, okay? Because it's enough for us all. This is where, we're just going to encourage each other and push each other to get it, because it's enough out there for everybody. So let's get it. And I'm going to help you along the way. While I'm doing what I'm doing, I'm going to take you along the journey, and we're going to do this thing together. Okay? See y'all. Thank y'all so much here at Frederica Nation.